Welcome to our video. What is business analytics? Business analytics is a process of transforming data into actions through analysis and insight in the context of organizational decision making and problem solving.
Analysis of business analytics application is done in Sankik Lanka Private Limited. Sankik, a reward name in the world of the fruit drinks, traced its origin back to 1966, headquarters in Denmark. These introduced to Sri Lanka in 1978. Sankik has since become a household favorite. CW Macrates PLC with its state-of-the-art manufacturing plant located in Horana. Sankik continues to produce high-quality produce concentrate that are enjoyed by people of the all ages. Sankik Lanka Private Limited has an automation pyramid structure consisting of 4 levels. As you can see, there are first level is machines, second level is PLC and Scanta, third level is warehouse management systems and MES, fourth level is ERP.
Sankik uses data across all departments to make smarter business decisions. In finance, structured data like supplier prices and exchange rates help forecast costs, while unstructured data such as supplier emails and news improve budgeting. In manufacturing, data on machine speed, downtime and operator comments boost productivity and quality control. Sales and marketing use transaction data and customer reviews to predict demand and guide promotions. In HR, requests like attendance and feedback support better training and retention. Altogether, Sankik combines structured and unstructured data to make faster, smarter decision company-wide. In detail, two main functions used by the Sankik company. The finance department structured data such as the history of supplier prices, purchase levels and exchange rates forecast future prices. For example, Sankik can make the decisions to buy ingredients ahead when prices will rise. Unstructured data such as supplier emails and business news give further insight to make smart budgeting. Organized data in the manufacturing area includes machine speed, duration of downtime, batch quality, and shift performance. This maximizes productivity and reduces delays. Unstructured information such as operator comments, maintenance logs, or sensor images facilitate predictive maintenance and quality control. In total, Sankik effectively combines unstructured as well as structured data to facilitate improved, faster and smarter decision making in each department.
Now let's look at how Sankik Lanka uses business analytics in its operation. The company mainly uses 4 key tools. If there are Power BI, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Excel and HRIS. Among them, now I explain how Sankik Lanka uses Power BI in its business analytics process. Power BI helps the company transform raw data from production metrics, supply chain logistics, and sales performance into visual interactive dashboards and reports. These dashboards are very useful for the management team because they can track key performance indicators in real time, identify trends, and quickly detect any irregularities. For one example, when production process data is visualized through Power BI, it becomes easier to spot bottlenecks or quality variations, allowing faster decision making and improved efficiency. Sankik Lanka uses Excel in its business analytics process. Excel is mainly used for budgeting, sales forecasting, and detailed cost analysis based on historical data. It's also powerful for summarizing large data sets through pivot tables and automating repetitive calculations using formulas and macros.
The
Sunquick company use Power BI and Excel to visualize their data. Power BI application is Sunquick. In the manufacturing division, the promise system for real-time machine speed, downtime duration, the QA system for defect rate and the reject batch, and the ERP system for production schedule and the maintain logs. Power BI use visualization and the analysis through descriptive analytic, correlation mapping, and trend reporting. Manager use these insights to adjust production schedule and optimize machine performance. In the finance function, Power BI connects structured ERP data such as supplier cost, purchase volume. It applies forecasting and regression technique to visualize cost trend and predict future spending. Decision maker use these Power BI dashboard to identify optimal purchasing time and the control cost. In marketing, Power BI combine both structured CRM data and the semi-structured social media engagement data using clustering and the segmentation models. The output support decision on campaign design and the customer targeting.
Another application is Excel. In manufacturing, Excel is used to perform detailed data entry and calculation based analysis. Example, structured production data, including batch outputs, defect percentages, and machine. Another one is downtime, is exported from Promise and ERP system. Excel enables to quality trend charts, ratio analysis, what if analysis for production performance tracking. These spreadsheets help to supervisors and engineers to plan daily output and monitor efficiency improvements. Then finance. The finance department uses Excel for budget forecasting and cost analysis. Structured ERP data such as historical costs, supplier prices, and foreign exchange rates is analysis using formulas and pivot tables. Excel model performs what if analysis to simulate pricing scenarios and support accurate budgeting and financial planning decisions. Then marketing. In marketing, Excel organizes campaign performance data such as advertisement cost, click-through rates, and customer responses, mostly structured and semi-structured in nature. In marketing, team uses Excel for descriptive reporting and ROI calculations, helping to evaluate campaign success and plan future promotions more effectively.
At Sunquick Lanka, business analytics helps transform data into smart decisions. Using tools like Power BI, Excel, ERP, Promise, QA, and CRM, data is analyzed and converted into useful insights. This approach moves the company from guesswork to data-driven decisions, increasing transparency, efficiency, and teamwork. With the help of visual dashboards, managers can make faster and more accurate decisions, helping Sunquick Lanka grow smarter and stronger. Analytics plays a vital role in supporting Sunquick's operations across different departments. In manufacturing, it helps track performance, downtime, and product defects in real time, ensuring smooth production. In finance, analytics helps forecast cost and budgets, make smarter supplier decisions, and achieve better cost savings. For sales and marketing, it analyzes campaigns, measures social media engagement, and predicts customer demand, helping the company plan promotions effectively. And finally, in the supply chain, analytics improves logistics and delivery tracking, ensuring products reach customer efficiently. Altogether, analytics helps Sunquick operate more intelligently, efficiently, and effectively.
At Sunquick, many things have changed after using data analytics. Now, the company makes faster decisions using real data instead of just guessing or using experience. This has brought more transparency and helped to control cost better. It also improved teamwork between departments because everyone can share and understand the same data. So, overall, Sunquick has moved from an intuition based culture to a data based culture, which helps teamwork more effectively. But there were some challenges too. It was hard to connect all systems with the new ones, and the company had to make sure the data was accurate. Also, they needed to give continuous training to staff to help them learn this new system. In the future, Sunquick plan to use AI-driven predictive analytics. This means using artificial intelligence to predict things like future sales and production needs. They also plan to automate reports and forecast, so it saves time and reduce mistakes. Another goal is to create real time dashboards so every department can see live updates and make quick decisions. Because of digitalization, Sunquick has already seen great results. They have saved money in procurement, improved production efficiency by 20 to 30%, and can now monitor quality and inventory in real time. Most importantly, they have built a strong database culture across all departments.
Circuit Private Limited is a business that transforms its key operations and functions by integrating advanced business analytic tools such as Power BI and Excel with systems like ERP, QA, Promise, and SFA. By utilizing data from production, finance, and marketing activities, the company enhances its ability to make accurate decisions aimed at minimizing cost and increasing productivity. The use of this tool strengthens Sunquick's ability to maintain its market leadership.